Riu DCI nimarikitie kumbura ati the probe, or rather the investigation into Jeff Mwadhi's death has now been completed. Na marikia kumbura ndeto ici through their official social media channels makiumbura ati wira wao nimarikitie wa uthuthuria wa gikuo kia Jeff Mwadhi uria wakorirwo akihuruka on 22nd February 2023 under unclear circumstances. Na thutha ucio uthuthuria ukiambikwo ni DCI kuria makoretwo magithuthuria gikuo kia Jeff Mwadhi na gwetha uma wa gikuo giake, na it has been quite a process. Akenya metereire muno kuona what the final report ya DCI igukorwo ari, na oho makienda kumenya what really happened to Jeff Mwadhi. Na riu finally DCI nimarikia kumbura ati nimarikia wira wao. The investigation into Jeff Mwadhi's death is now completed. Na this is what the DCI has shared ariyo their report, na oho makiumbura ati they have now handed over the report, or rather the final file, kuri DPP. Na DCI makiuga ati probe into Jeff Mwadhi's death completed. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations has this afternoon completed investigations into the death of Jeff Mwadhi, 23, who died on February 22nd, 2023 in unclear circumstances. This after the Homicide Department that has been investigating the incident received an autopsy report from the government pathologist and the government chemist, following a fresh probe into the death as ordered by the DCI Director, Mr. Mohammed Amin. The file is now complete and has been forwarded to the Director of Public Prosecutions this evening for perusal and advice. DCI makiuga ati now finally nimarikia uthuthuria wa gikuo kia Jeff Mwadhi thutha wa gukorwo makiambika a fresh investigation into his death thutha wa directive ya DCI Director and also Kithure Kindiki. Na riu finally the long wait is over. Magikiuga riu file ya investigation ya gikuo kia Jeff na their findings riu i moko-ini ma DPP. Na ni ndeto cia kiamukirwo na gikeno kinene muno ni Akenya magikiuga finally the long wait is over, na oho maki appreciate the good work ya DCI na oho korwo makirikiriria investigation ya gikuo kia Jeff Mwadhi. Na riu it is now up to the DPP niwe wetereirwo riu akorwo akiaria and also give the way forward uhoro-ini wigie gikuo kia Jeff Mwadhi. The file is now in the hands of the DPP.